Hey guys, we got ourselves another Colt here. This one is a police positive as well, and the 32 police cartridge, which is not a 32 long Colt or a 32 short Colt. It's a 32 Smith & Wesson long. Takes these things right yonder. We'll go ahead and load her up. I've never shot this yet. This one's in very good shape. This is a 32 Smith & Wesson long, or new police is another thing they call it. All right, let's give it a whirl. Hopefully it works okay. Never shot it, so give me a little bit. Yeah, I never hit a target. I don't know where it shoots. Clearing it here. She's clear. I don't know where it shoots at, but this thing's about a 1913, early 1900s. This is in really good shape. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. And as always, like and subscribe.